Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Joy by NH. Today we discuss about the science concept for the paper 2 which will be asking in the previous year examination. So firstly we have to discuss the one by one. Okay, so here the 130th question is the major constituent of CNG. Here we have to be find out the major constituent. Okay, so that is the options are methane, butane, heptane, dectane. Okay, so here the CNG major constituent will be obtained here, that is the methane. Okay, so here the methane will be a major constituent. Okay, the next one will be the general molecular formula of cycloalkanes. The we have to know the in the chemistry part, so we have to be studied in the cycloalkanes. Okay, so in that cycloalkanes we have the find out the its molecular formula. So that first one is CnH2n plus 2, CnH2n minus 2, CnHn. Next fourth one is CnH2n. So the molecular formula of the cycloalkane is the CnH2n. Okay, hope you all understand this. Then we moving on to the next one will be, so the calorific value of the hydrogen. So the calorific value of the hydrogen will be a, so here the first one is 1,50,000 kilojoule per kg, 45,000 kilojoule per kg. Next 50 kilojoule per kg, 55 kilojoule per kg. So here hydrogen calorific value will be a, so that is the highest one, it is the 150,000 kilojoule per kg. Okay, so next we move on to the next one, 135th question, the synthetic fiber which is known as artificial silk. So here we have the two types of silks, what is the natural silk and another one is the artificial silk. So here the artificial silk will be called it as, we have to identify the artificial silk. Okay, so let us see the options, that is the nylon, polyethylene, rayon, polyester. So in these four fabrics we have the, so one of the artificial silk, that is the rayon. So rayon is the artificial silk. Okay, so then next one, the group in which function given the list is matched correctly with the cell organelles given list in A. So firstly we have to see in the list A, so that is the mitochondria, chloroplast, lysosome. So here we have the cellular cell list, so we have to find out its functions. Okay, so how it is perform in our body. Okay, so in this mitochondria is the powerhouse. Okay, so that is called the powerhouse. Chloroplast, so that chloroplast is the site of the photosynthesis, we have to use in a site of the photosynthesis. Lysosome is already we know that it is the suicide bags. So for this one is B, second one is C, third one is A. So for this, so we have the option 2 is the correct answer. Okay, so here option 2 is the correct one. The next one, the animal tissue specialized to store the fat. So here we have to find the storing of the fat. So that is arillor, cartilage, adipose and nerve. So here we have the fat, we have to discuss about the fat. So that is the, it is stored in the adipose. Okay, the 138th question is, so the basic functional unit of human respiratory system where gaseous exchange occur. Okay, so here we have to be respirator system, in the human respirator system when the basic functional is where gas is exchanged. Okay, so that is first one is neuron, nephron, olive oil, villi. So that is the option third is olive villi is the option correct one. Okay, so here we moving on to the 138th question. So that is 138th question is the, so again we have in the biology part, so that is the part of flower that develops into seed after fertilization. After fertilization, so what will be developed? Okay, so here the first one is the ovary, petal, spell. Okay, so that option, the correct option is O below. Okay, so here we have the correct option is O below. Okay, next 140th question. The highest unit and basic unit of the classification of the organism respectively, that is species and kingdom, genus and species, genus and phylum, kingdom and species. So here we have to find out the highest unit and as well as basic unit of the classification of the organism. So in that manner, so we have to be correct one is the kingdom and species is the correct one. Okay, so next 141 question. The part of hinge brain which controls involuntary process like blood pressures. Okay, so that is pons, medulla, cerebrum is cerebrum. Okay, so here, so we have to be identify the controlling of the involuntary process like blood pressure. So that is the medulla. Option 2 is the correct one. Next 142 question. The process of growth of the pollen tube towards ovum is called the phototroisium, hydrotroisium, geotroisium, chemotroisium. Okay, so here the process of growth of the pollen tube towards ovum is the option 4, that is chemotropism. Okay, so for this we have the science based on the science concept which is on the NCERT syllabus. So we have to learn so up to 142th question. So after the 143th question we have the science pedagogy. So that science pedagogy we have to discuss in the next video. So hope you all understand this previous year question papers and its correct answers. So we will meet on the next video with the next concept. Hope you all understand this one. So if you all like the video, share and subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you.